An appealing thing about our market is we cover every aspect, every base. We have about 700,000 square feet of space that we have in gift. I mean, everybody has an opportunity to shop our market. I mean, from the mom and pops to the big boxes. I mean, we have product for everybody.
I think what surprised me about the Las Vegas market was the vast array of vendors that you could find here, anything from furniture to little gift items, and just how accessible it was, so easy to get around in each one and to find what you're looking for and to find something new.
The best surprise in the pavilions is the breadth of fresh products. There's a lot of companies that are brand new to market. They have never been here before. There's a lot of those smaller emerging designers that are there. You will be able to see anywhere from a kid's product to a jewelry line to a candle company to a rug company. So there's a lot of different products. We will have over 500 lines that will be at the pavilions. We do have shuttles that would take you either from the building or from the registration area directly into the pavilion. We have 2 shuttle stops in the pavilion. The first one is on the north side where you will access cash and carry and discoveries. And we have a second stop that is by the gift and the juried areas at the front of the pavilion.
I've been surprised how it's grown and how most of our core vendors that we focus on are here now. I mean, I always went to Atlanta, and it's clear across the country for me, and so it's just refreshing to be able to come closer.
I'm looking for the new and the next. Coming to Vegas, we're always excited to see whether it be the newest offerings or the newest color, the newest fabric, and we're looking for interesting items.
We are here looking for everything unique right now, everything from baby clothes to home decor to shoes, apparel, and then we're also looking for some of the most unique gifts that we can find as we're going into the Christmas season.
It's just exciting, and it's a treat to come because it really puts you in the forefront of running your store and bringing in the product that your buyers will want and buy.